Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the fun and fabulous world of Adam and Eve toys. I'm Robert, and in today's special Veterans Day episode, we're talking about how our veterans can treat themselves with a little self-love and appreciation. And what better way to do that than with a cool product that's all about visual and physical pleasure. All right, before we march into our guide, hats off to Adam and Eve for providing top-tier pleasure products for over 50 years. Remember, this channel and our content are for those that are 18 years and up. So if that's not you, go find something else to watch. And if you're a veteran or just shopping around for Veterans Day, you can grab this toy with promo code HOW250 to get 50% off and free discreet shipping. Scan the QR code on your screen right now or copy and paste in the link below. Let's go. All right, everyone, here it is, the Girls Crystal Masturbator. Let's open her up. I like the box. You can tell that it's got a cool little lady on there, which is pretty fun. So let's see, take it out of there. Comes in a nice plastic encasing. Pop it off of that. Then we have the masturbator here. It's covered in plastic right now, so we'll take that off in a second, but it's crystal clear and letting you see all the action as you go. So let's open this up. Whoa, it's like real jelly. Like, this is pretty cool. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided. So check that out. This is pretty cool. It's made from body safe TPE, known for its soft, fleshy feel that gets even better when you're wet and slippery. Plus, it's got a closed end, like right there, creating its own natural suction that amplifies every thrust. So this is pretty cool. Check it out. After serving your country, taking time to focus on your personal pleasure is more than deserved. It is necessary. This toy is perfect for some quality me time. It's discreet, it's easy to clean, which is great. It's got a compact size so you can really take it wherever you want, go anywhere. Whether you're at home or stationed away, it's a great way to unwind and enjoy some stress relief. Using this toy is super simple. Just apply some water-based lube. Adam and Eve offers a wide variety of options to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect one for your needs. Once you're all set, you're ready for action. The internal ribbing enhances the feel with every move, which is really nice. And because it's transparent, you can watch the excitement unfold right before your eyes. And there you have it. The Girls Crystal Masturbator from Adam and Eve is a fantastic way for veterans to add some excitement for their private time, especially on a day meant to honor their service. It's discreet, stimulating, and just plain fun. Well, what do you think? Ready to give it a try, or do you have other ways you like to unwind? Let us know in the comments down below. We love hearing from you guys. And remember, use the promo code HOW250 at adamandeve.com to get 50% off and free discreet shipping. Don't forget to scan the QR code on the screen or copy and paste the link in the description down below to get yours today. Until next time, keep treating yourself and don't forget to keep those spirits high. Thank you for tuning in, and a special thank you to all of our veterans for your service. Make sure to subscribe and for more honest review and tips. See you guys in the next video.